Ollie's in his fancy new duds.
A baby Capuchin and a baby Squirrel monkey.
Look at that.
He says, hey.
Ollie's like, oh, stranger danger. Now Happy's very strong, guys. He's really strong, does not know his strength, and he's just curious, but he's very heavy-handed, so we're gonna make sure that they're gonna be all right. Yeah, Happy, that's Ollie. You're booing in the background. Come here, Oz. Don't be like that. Come say hi to your pal. It's because Happy wants to grab you, ain't it?
He's like, why is it gotta be that touchy?
It's so touchy, huh? It's like Capuchin are too touchy for you, huh? Capuchin's too touchy. Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. Today we're chilling with Happy. Ollie's clearly unhappy. We're gonna see if we can't get him to be a little more friendly. Look at Happy just being so sweet. Say hi to your buddy. Ollie's been in a bad mood all day. I put a shirt on him and he didn't like that too much. Sometimes he loves me, sometimes he don't. What's he doing, Happy? Ollie's upset you're on his blanket, Happy boy. What's he saying? He's like, get off my blanket. That's my daddy. He's taking my daddy and my blanket.
So this is actually a really good video because they've been around each other, but we hadn't really started letting them play a whole lot together. This will be like the first really good interaction video, and you guys will see over the next few videos how quick they bond up with each other. A lot of it has to do with their age and the Capuchins. Squirrel monkeys are not quite as friendly as Capuchins, but the Capuchins are so friendly that it'll usually monkey see, monkey do. It is true.
It happens. Happy's curious, but Ollie don't want nothing to do with him. Oh, he's got your blanket and your daddy. It's okay. He's not gonna hurt you. That's Happy boy. You're not happy.
But something that's really good in this video you guys may have noticed is look how well bonded Ollie is with Luke. I mean, he's not clearly not happy with Happy being there, but you know,
Happy's found his spot. I think if I get some blanket near him, we can get him to hang out nearby each other. See, he's not terrified of him. He's just unsure of him because he's seen him before. Ollie's got a pretty good memory. Yeah, Happy knows. Happy just hanging out, huh, Brian? Yeah, Happy's like, what's the deal, bro? Oh.
See, I speak fluent Squirrel monkey, and some of them chirps are really gangster and threatening, and some of them he's being a little baby.
Oh yeah. he's half scared, half unsure what's happening. Oh man. Okay, come here. It's okay.
All right, there's Happy place, and that's like he's like, this is pretty much where I'm going to hang out for the next year and a half.
Come on. There we go. See, Ollie just wanted his spot. It's okay, Brian. What you gonna say, alright? Can you conversate? What's he saying? What you want to do at home? There you go. Come on, Happy, get you some. Oh, we have a banner. He was like, not like that. That came in too hot. Oh, came in too hot. Oh no. Yeah, you can play with this thing. Go ahead. Happy. Come on, There you go. He's crazy. Oh, heck no, you gotta play, bro. Check this out. That's crazy. You got all in your hands. that? Happy likes to ride it, I think, bro.
Oh, applause.
Here comes Happy. Oh, man, abandoned ship. That's beautiful. Oh, that was tight. I like how I jumped with it now. That's the first time I do that. This one. Monkey cheese. What? Ready? You can go get Happy with this. Oh, he's going to be a bully, Happy. Oh no. Oh yeah, I'd make friends, dude. I'd make friends. He's going to be dropping with you. That's so much fun. Come on, crazy man. Wild man.
Happy son of your egg.
Yeah, he said, yeah. He said, I cracked the Da Vinci code of this egg. It's true to Capuchin nature.
Oh yeah, I just dropped the belt. Oh yeah. So I'm a one monkey wrecking machine.
Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of baby squirrel monkey. Please hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell.